Hey y'all, today I'm doing an oil change on the bike. Already got the fairings off on this side. It's a little bit windy outside. I wanted to do the coolant as well, but I'm gonna need some help removing the fairings from over here so I could get to my coolant reservoir right there. So I need to take that off before I could do anything. So already took this side off. Forgive me if it's windy. Bolt right there. This is a 17, so I let the bike got up to temperature, and then it's now draining. And then over here, this is just gonna be a little quick video. Over here, this is what I'm using. I don't know, that oil looks dirty to me. So it only requires 3.7 quarts, but I got 4, so I'm gonna put the whole 4 in it because I'll be doing wheelies and stuff. So this is what's going on today. Also, Kawasaki does this weird little thing, and I think this is from the 09 to 13s. That's the oil filter right there. Normally the filters are under the right here at the front where the exhaust is, and the hole is to the side. But if you got a 09 to 13, I believe, this is where your filter is. So we got a drain, we got a little drain system right there as well, but oh well. I got some paper towels so I could put underneath it just so nothing runs down to the hoses. Because if you can see, it looked like it happened already. And back here, that's all soot. And no matter how many times I try to clean it, it still looks the same. So again, sorry about the wind. I ended up doing the same thing that I said. Sorry about that. Ended up doing the same thing that I said I didn't want to do, which was make a mess. And also I had to drill holes with the screwdriver right here just so I could get this off, because it didn't have the the wrench handle on it, or the socket on it, where I could put a socket on it and then take it off. And then put that right there. This is the new filter, Canon 303. And this one comes with that. That way I'll be able to use a socket to take it off. So that one, that's the OEM Kawasaki, that didn't come with this. So, oh well, I'm gonna take this off, put a little oil on this, and then put it back on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up on the next side. Still dripping a little bit, so I'm gonna have to wash that off with a little soap water in a second. So I already put 3 quarts in it already. I got the last quart right there. Again, sorry for the wind. I always have a problem with this, not being able to see the line completely. So I'm gonna put the last quart in, because to me it looks like the line is right here, halfway. So that's the bottom, halfway, that's the top. So I'm gonna put the last quart in, and then I'm gonna see if it changes. Hopefully y'all can see that better than me, because I can't see it. So again, it says 3 1/4 or 1/7, but I'm putting 4 in, so we'll see. Okay, so I put the 4th quart in. Looks like that's filled all the way up. Fire this bad boy up, let it get up to temperature, make sure Nothing ain't leaking out. And alright. Let's fire this bad boy up. Alright, so seize up the temperature. Make sure that is sealed properly. Don't want that coming off, right? Looks like that dropped a little bit, so nothing is leaking. Make sure that is good. I don't see anything coming from that. Bolt is good down there. That is oil from before that was dripping out. So yeah, that's how I did my oil change on a 2009 Zx6.